Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived two young girls named Lily and Rose. They were inseparable best friends, known throughout the village for their kindness, generosity, and unwavering friendship. Lily was the daughter of a humble farmer, while Rose came from a family of artisans who crafted beautiful pottery. Despite their different backgrounds, Lily and Rose shared a bond that was unbreakable. As they grew older, Lily and Rose spent their days exploring the countryside, gathering wildflowers, and dreaming of adventures beyond the village. They laughed together, cried together, and shared their hopes and fears with one another. One day, as they were wandering through the forest on the outskirts of the village, they stumbled upon a hidden clearing filled with the most exquisite flowers they had ever seen. The air was filled with the sweet scent of jasmine and roses, and the sunlight danced among the trees, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Lily and Rose were enchanted by the beauty of the clearing, and they spent hours exploring its every corner, marveling at the wonders of nature. But as the sun began to set and the shadows grew long, they realized that they had lost their way and were now deep in the heart of the forest. Fearful of being caught out after dark, Lily and Rose set off in search of the path that would lead them back home. But the forest was vast and unfamiliar, and soon they found themselves hopelessly lost, with no idea which way to turn. As the darkness closed in around them, Lily and Rose huddled together for warmth and comfort, their hearts heavy with fear. But even in their darkest hour, they refused to lose hope, drawing strength from their friendship and the bond that held them together. Hours passed, and still they wandered through the forest, their spirits growing ever more weary with each passing moment. But just when it seemed that all hope was lost, they stumbled upon a small cottage nestled among the trees, its windows glowing warmly in the darkness. Relieved beyond words, Lily and Rose hurried to the cottage and knocked on the door, praying that someone would answer their call for help. To their surprise and delight, an elderly woman opened the door, her face wrinkled with age but her eyes shining with kindness. "Welcome, young travelers," the woman said, ushering Lily and Rose inside and offering them a warm meal and a comfortable bed for the night. Grateful beyond measure, Lily and Rose accepted her hospitality, their hearts overflowing with gratitude for the kindness of a stranger. As they sat by the fire, savoring the warmth and comfort of the cottage, Lily and Rose realized that their journey through the forest had taught them a valuable lesson about the power of friendship and the importance of kindness. "We may have lost our way in the forest, but we found something even more precious," Lily said, smiling at Rose across the fire. "We found the true meaning of friendship." Rose nodded in agreement, her eyes shining with tears of gratitude. "And we learned that even in our darkest hour, there is always hope," she said, reaching out to grasp Lily's hand in hers. The next morning, Lily and Rose bid farewell to the elderly woman and set off on their journey home, their hearts light with the knowledge that no matter what trials they may face, they would always have each other by their side. And as they walked hand in hand through the forest, the sun shining brightly overhead, Lily and Rose knew that their friendship would endure forever, a beacon of light and hope in a world filled with darkness. For in the end, they realized that it was not the destination that mattered, but the journey itself, and the friends who walked beside them every step of the way.